Hello, everybody. Welcome to BitBrothers Crypto, the best channel in the world. Okay, I'm here today. Papa Brother. Oh, I have a very nice bird on my window now. Can't show you so, but it's nice. This is the beauty of living in a hot country, guys. You have some, small parrots flying around, and yeah, it's nice. Anyway, so welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Casca is not going to be here with us today, but I'm here to talk about the market, okay? What to do for the next bull run, how to prepare for the next bull run. Yeah, I'm here to help you guys. Guys, remember that we're in decisive moment today because Jerome Powell is going to give a speech in an hour talking about the new interest hikes or rates in America. And as we know, these affect the market a lot. Hello, my friend, brasileiro vivendo na Grécia. E aí, mano? So, yeah, Jerome Powell is the Fed kind of the responsible in America, and he's going to be speaking about the interest rates in America in one hour. So, guys, in the next hour, we're going to know if we're going to pump or dump this weekend, okay? Because everything he said, people give so much emphasis and then the market reacts accordingly. So if the interest rates go up, we expect downside volatility in crypto. If the interest rates go down, we expect upside. Okay, I do think he's going to keep the same amount of interest, or maybe he's going to reduce slightly, because guys, remember that this year also it's election years. So this is very important as well. We just had a small pump, so that means it's talking something good. Let's check. So let's see. Yeah, we have a small pump. So that means people expecting him to say good things about the interest rates in America. So that means it probably stabilize or diminish. But also this expected, guys, because this is an election year, and if you're in power, you don't want to increase interest rates in the year of the election. So until the election, I do believe that they're going to try to stabilize Bitcoin. Okay. After election, once this happens, I think a big bomb will drop. So we have to be careful and we have to be ready. That's how we prepare for the next bull run. Understanding what's going on in the world. Okay. Macroeconomy. Also pay attention with the war, it's what's happening with this kind of the gas and oil prices and all that. And luckily in crypto we give everything, and most YouTubers in crypto talk about all of that because affects so much the crypto space, right? So that's why it's important for us to be connected, and you guys be watching. Also subscribe to the channel, share our content. Guys, we keep saying this, it looks like we're begging for this, but guys, remember that if sharing our content is going to be good for YouTube, because the more people we make aware of crypto, the better we're going to have our the better people going to understand what's going on, and the more people have in the space, the more the project's going to grow. And of course, and at the end of the day, it's going to benefit everyone, not just you. Okay, so I think it's a very nice thing to do for your friends here, Casca and Papa. Okay, so let's quickly check what's going on today on the. So guys, I had some peanuts today, and I can't seem to swallow. And I hope you guys can understand what I'm talking about. So 1,036,000,000,000 there. Okay, so yes, a little bit. So we keep steady here above $1 trillion, which is very good. Okay, but we can see dominance is being affected once again. That means, guys, altcoins are performing well. Why? Because if money comes, if the same amount of money is in the space, pretty much, because it's like 6, 7, 8 billions left from yesterday to today, but the dominance went down a few percent. So that means that the money is the same, but dominance fell. So the money that came out probably came out from Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the other coins are performing well. The altcoins, right? I can see like the pump is happening. Look at this live. Jerome Powell, I think he's probably speaking right now, and people think that we're gonna have a very good outcome from what he says. Okay, so again, if you want to do small trades, we're probably gonna be able to trade something now, especially if you bought yesterday on a small dip that we had. Okay, today look at this, 5% on the weekly. So that means if you bought last week, you already being 5% in profit. That's great. Okay, so let's check what's the. Ooh, look at yours today. 31% on the weekly, guys. Still the same coins doing really, really great. Remember, EOS yesterday and Cosmos and Chilis were the only coins that were in green, comparing to all the other coins that went really low. But look at that, Theta Fuel, Creed Steel, Elron Gold, Convex, Synthetics, Ethereum Classic, guys. Ethereum Classic is booming. You know, we need to keep an eye on Ethereum Classic. Let's just check what's the all-time high of Ethereum Classic. Guys, I heard, because as we know, Ethereum will move from proof of work to proof of stake, but proof of work needs the nodes to go through with the process of the transactions, right? Once we do the merge, we're not gonna need this anymore. So they are planning to. I heard they are planning to go to Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic could actually survive again. You know, it could survive again. It could kind of, actually surviving, right? Because it's still here and it's working and all that. But I think it could actually play really well. So all-time high of Ethereum Classics 146 a year ago, actually. Wow. All-time low 45 cents, July 2016, 6 years ago. Okay, so yeah, that's probably a coin to keep an eye. I don't really know anything about Ethereum Classic, how it works, if it's the same as Ethereum as before. I heard there was a problem with the first Ethereum code, and then they changed for normal Ethereum, and then they left the old code with Ethereum Classic. I think it's the same thing is gonna happen now. You know, it's kind of going to ETH 2.0. Okay, things for you to keep an eye on it. Losers of the week, let's check. Losers of the week. Flow. Oh, not good. I'm invested in Flow. You know, Lido, Filecoin. Good projects, guys. Good projects here all over. Yeah, Near Protocol, Sandbox, you know, Decentraland, all the kind of metaverse coins. Lido, I think it just came up after a huge pump, right? That's why it's kind of coming down. You have to remember to look at that as well. Maybe we see a 10% here, but I'm sure Flow just came up out of a huge upside. So let's say it went up 100% and now it's down 10%. You know, it's still up 90% from its lows and all that. So I think it's doing well. Okay. So guys, just so you know what's happening as well, and that's why it's important. You know, Offset, macro alphs. He talks about the macroeconomy, okay, economy of the world. Since 2000, the US experienced a cumulative 74.4% inflation. Guys, this is the US. It's a first world country, and this is happening. Imagine like in Brazil and third world countries, guys. So that's why we need crypto in our lives. We need people to understand better crypto, because this is going to change. This is going to change the world, okay? Median nominal wage grew just a bit more than that, which means that in real terms, childcare, medical care, and education become much more expensive. But if you only buy TVs and computers, you're doing great. So guys, the only thing that went down from the 2000s was this: TVs, toys, computer software, cell phone, clothing is kind of the same price. House. So the thing that went down a lot is TVs, and then toys, you know, and then computer software, cell phone, and you know, but then clothing still more or less same price as 22 years ago. Look, year 2000. In terms of how much money you have and what you can buy with clothes, they kept the same price. But look at these guys: housing, food and beverage, average hourly rate, wage, child care, nursery, medical care. Look at these guys: 120% more expensive medical care. College, 160. Hospital service, more than 200% more expensive than the year 2000 with the same amount of money you earn. So that's why everyone is crazy about what Powell is going to say, because it's getting insane, guys. It's getting insane. Our money is worth nothing. I said to people the other day, last year, they released a 200 reais note. We didn't have this 200 reais. So that means why they would release a note, which the biggest note we had here, money, the biggest fiat note is 100 reais, 100. So they just printed the 200 one. That means that our small notes are meaningless. It's worth pennies now, right? So we used to have like a 1 real note. They abolished that. Now we have just 2 reais note. And, that you can see why they do that. It's just so, the money now is worth nothing. So we need bigger money now to buy stuff. Anyway, it's crazy. So, guys, I wanted to leave this for you today. Again, it's like how to approach the bull market. It's now invest. But I don't have money, Papa. I don't have money. Guys, but as little as you can. So I think Brazil, it's very, very bad. I think generally the world is being very, very bad in saving. A lot of people, there's this thing of people earning $1,000 and then they spend $1,000, and then if they get a better job or an extra job and they start to earn $2,000, they start to spend $2,000. Okay, they don't see the extra $1,000 as something that they could save up to actually things like this, to invest and to improve their portfolio. I'm not talking about just crypto, guys. You can go into stocks. You can go, but what can I do with an extra like $100? Let's say like this, even small amount, guys. You can go into stocks and you can buy like I don't know how to say in English. It's like basically you invest in a fund where they have buildings and you get payback for buying a stock, part of this big conglomerate of So there's of paper and blocks, they say in Brazil. Papel, tijolo. So it's a fee. Fundo de investimento. Oh man, how to explain that? So basically, guys, you have a big building where lots of people buy, and they put the stocks in the market, and they rent. So they go and divide for everyone who has stocks. So if you understand about that, you can leave your comments here. That'll be great. Nice one, Brasileiro. Let's help other guys. It doesn't cost anything. Exactly. Okay. So guys, you can invest $100 a day in that anyway, in stocks where you're gonna get money back. Okay. So that's how you start if you're not trustworthy of the cryptocurrency, but cryptocurrency is going to give you a better return. This is pretty much sure, not financial advice, guys. So one thing that I wanted to leave you is merge and diverge 5 tokens that could outperform Ethereum. So this is it. You need to stud things that you probably going to outperform Ethereum and invest, and then you can invest. Guys, if this is going to outperform Ethereum is bound to reach in the next bull run above $10,000. At this time is 1,600 and something right now. Let's see, 1,690, 1,700. So imagine, I truly believe that Ethereum on the next bull run can reach 10x from here. I truly believe we can go to 17,000 on the Ethereum. So anyway, even if it's a 5x or 6x, $10,000, which is the most talked kind of amount people talk about, is like a 6x. Put $10, you're gonna have $60. If you put $10 now, you're probably gonna have $60 in a year. So in 1.5 years, that's an amazing investment, right? So, and then you put $10 again next week. You do like, that's what we call DCA, dollar cost average. Okay. So what's the next token that could outperform Ethereum? Guys, I'm not gonna talk about all of them because also I'm running out of time here. Key takeaways of it. Ethereum is scheduled to ship its landmark merge event in September, which could bode well for ETH. Several Ethereum adjacent projects with smaller market capitalizations could also see the benefit and end up outpacing ETH following a successful merge. Liquid staking, NFTs, MEV, infrastructure, and layer 2 are some of the key areas to watch closely. Again, guys, stakings, NFTs, this MEV, I don't understand. I don't know what it means really, but I think they say. So first one, Lido Finance and liquid staking protocols. General, okay, Lido Finance they mentioned, but again, guys, that's why we could see Lido Finance had a dip today, but it's been doing great lately. It's one of the most well-publicized projects that could benefit from the merge. Lido lets users stake their ETH with Ethereum Beacon Chain validator while still keeping their funds liquid. It does this by issuing an equal amount of ST-ETH, representing yield-generating ETH Beacon Chain deposits. Through Lido, stake ETH holders currently make around 4% APY. Wow, that's great, right? So basically, stake your ETH there. They release you with staked ETH, and you can still use your staked ETH for might be like a little bit cheaper, right, than the normal ETH, the staked ETH. But then you can use to do more investment or kind of a trade. So Manifold Finance. Next up is Manifold Finance, a protocol developing key post-merge infrastructure for Ethereum network. So guys, I don't know how to find these, where to buy this stuff. I explained this before, but if you're new here, I'm going to explain it once again. So you come here to coinmarketcap.com or coingecko.com. I like CoinMarketCap. I'm used to it. CoinGecko has a nice thing that you can check how much money would give you. So I put $10 and I want to know how much $10 of can give me in a coin. Let's say like this. They do the math for you. I think this thing would be really good here, which they don't have in CoinMarketCap. But anyway, you go here and you go Lido. It's there. Lido DAO. That's the one we talked about. Next one we talk is Manifold. Let's see if it's here. Sometimes it's not here, guys. Yeah. But then you just research and you probably find Manifold. Manifold Finance. It's here as well. And it's good. You go there. You go $60. Wow. It's 2% up. And then you can come down here and it explains what Manifold is. It's a cryptocurrency and operates on an Ethereum platform. Manifold Finance has a current supply of 0, explains everything. Then you can come here, enter here, and you can come to the website, Manifold Finance. Okay, and explains to you everything staking. You can come and check how the staking works. Manifold connects to your MetaMask straight away. You have to connect your MetaMask to enter, and then you can stake. And there's a token there. Okay, so that's how you find. I will leave you this link here for you. Let's see, I'm gonna leave on the description, guys. So if you want to go and check it out, all these coins that people think is gonna outperform ETH, just go in and have a look. The next one is Optimism and Layer 2 networks. Third on the list is Optimism and Layer 2. Guys, remember once back I told you follow the smart money, and one of the most one of the projects that the smart money put more interest was Optimism. So I would say check it out, Optimism. Okay, so next one, Ethereum NFTs. Guys, the Ethereum NFTs suffered so much, okay, with this last drop. It's crazy. So again, what's the main Ethereum NFTs? It's I slipped my mind now. Come on, what is it? I forgot the platform to look for the Ethereum. How can I forget that? Now you see, guys, I haven't researched for NFTs for a long time. I actually hold the NFTs, but I haven't entered. Come on, let me enter here. Let's see, I forgot the name of it. So sorry, guys. This happened. There's so much projects that I keep looking at, and I haven't looked much in the. That means it's a sign for me that I need to go and really look at it, isn't it? Magic Eden. No, I just have the Magic Eden in my head. What's the other one? Anyway, I'll bring you to tomorrow. Anyway, so you need to find Ethereum NFTs. Okay, are the Bored Ape Yacht clubs and all this Kennel Club. You know, you probably know already where to find it. I forgot. So if you remember, just let me know here on the comments, please. Oh my God. So Eden Network is the final project that could end up outpacing ETH following the merge. It's a little more speculative than the others, but it's a strong fundamentals to back it up. Eden Network is a maximum extractable value, MEV, protection protocol, which close ties to many prominent players in the Ethereum validate. So, guys, if it's a little bit more speculative, so that means is this project here is the high risk, high reward project, one of the highest risk. And again, every single project has the higher risk, probably is the highest reward as well. So again, if you wanted to have a look on all of this is probably the one that can give you more upside, but of course the most risk of you lose everything as well. So guys, it's here. Check it out. Eden Network, the Ethereum NFTs, Optimism and Layer 2s, Manifold Finance, Lido Finance, and Liquid Staking protocols. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for being here, especially Brasileiro, Lili Vivendo na Grécia, my brother, and everybody else. Send my love to you. And please don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Don't forget to have a look at this one as well. And also follow Casquinha, his new crypto channel, Crypto B, for more post-chain and post-sex news. This is it for me. Have a blessed weekend and bye-bye.